Clayton Shuttleworth, well-known producers of agricultural equipment in the UK around the 1800s, early 1900s. They made stationary engines and then started to make traction engines along with the thrashing mills. These were very revolutionary and helped pioneer New Zealand. In 1900, this Clayton Shuttleworth mill and traction engine were imported into New Zealand by Adam Watson Jackson for his son, Stanley Jackson, as a 21st birthday present. Most people in those days, in modern times, get a Morris Minor. But the mill was one of the first into Marlborough and worked extensively throughout the region as far as Ward and up the Warrell Valley, thrashing crops for other people. But its prime purpose was to work on the homestead of Runnymede, where it continued to work as a farm unit well into the late 1940s. It was replaced by modern technology, a case tractor and a little case header. This engine is a 7 horsepower Clayton Shuttleworth traction engine weighing in approximately 13-14 tonnes. Here it is running its original mill, but 2 of them came to New Zealand as a matched set. So we're very fortunate to see that the Preservation Society has restored the mill, and myself and Dave Walker have restored the engine. This is the first time that they've been operating together since 1949, so quite a historic day for the pair, and indeed for ourselves, for bringing these things back to life. The engine and the mill have been run at Brayshaw Park. It's their 50th year. This park was first thought of and started by Lord Brayshaw 50 years ago. As you can see today, there's a large collection of vintage machinery, tractors, trucks and various other sorts of equipment, shearing equipment, stationary engines, cultivation equipment and all the likes, along with a few of the antiques that you can see walking around the place here, or shuffling around the place. The engine is currently in Marlborough and has been as far as Christchurch on loan to the park down there to promote one of their anniversaries. So I think that it's something that a lot of people will never see again, is these machines operating. Hopefully this machine will live on now for another 115 years as people will treat them with a little bit more value. This engine is the oldest surviving Clayton Shuttleworth engine in the world, still working. The engine itself is a single cylinder, 7 horsepower, as we've said. It's here running on coal, burning coal, and the mill has been driven at 900 RPM, so that's working reasonably quickly for the mill, but the engine's just ticking over quite nicely. And this was the situation. A man had to manage the engine all day, stoking the fire, keeping the water up, making sure it had coal, lubricating, and all of those sorts of menial tasks. So it wasn't something you could take your eye off. There's not a lot of safety equipment in these mill machines. If anyone got caught or trapped in a belt, it generally ended up in a fairly serious accident. So the sooner you can stop that, the more chance that it will minimise the damage. But however, I hope you enjoyed it. I've certainly had a lot of pleasure in it. Until the next time, have a great day. Cheers, Jackson.